How to download Google Pay Business app on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your App Store. You'll land to this kind of page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Click on the option of search. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in the app name Google Pay and search for it. With that, app will appear. Once app appears, click on the option of Get. With that, your Face ID will be enabled or you'll need to type in your Apple ID's password. Click on Install. Just with that, download process will start. Google Pay is a simple and secure way to manage your money. It is a mobile payment service developed by Google to power in-app, online and in-person contactless purchase on mobile devices, enabling users to make payment with Android phones, tablets or watches. Once completion of download process, you can launch this app and use it. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily download Google Pay Business app on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.